I'm gonna try that again. Miss Trevi was barking, but welcome to my apartment. I wanna have you come in. I'm gonna give you a little tour of our New York City apartment. So come on in. Okay, so many of you know that we have lived here for about 6.5 years. This is the only apartment that I've ever had in New York, and it just got cleaned today. This is kind of like an impromptu tour, and I figured I want to show you before we leave because we're packing everything up in about 2 weeks, and I'm just going to show you around. You've kind of seen bits and pieces, whether you follow me on Instagram or in my vlogs or anything, but I'll give you a play-by-play in all of the rooms. It's not a very big apartment, so it's not going to take very long, but let's go ahead and get started. So you just walked through into our entryway. Here is the bathroom, and over there is the kitchen. So this is our little bathroom. Not much needs to be said about a bathroom, but we do have a vanity. We don't have a ton of storage in this bathroom. This is really the only storage that we have right behind me, but we have a full shower, obviously, the sink and the toilet behind me. I'll do some overlay clips so you can just see like farther away videos of it, but that's that. Let's go into the kitchen. Okay, I actually want to pause quickly and tell you that we also do have laundry in this apartment. We're very lucky. Laundry is right behind this door right here. It's like right when you enter that way. So you've walked in this way, bathroom is behind you that way, and now we're coming into the kitchen. So come on in. She's gonna be joining us. And you guys have already seen my kitchen. I actually did a full kitchen tour already on the channel, so I will link that down below for you, but essentially, this is the kitchen. This is what sold me on the apartment. As soon as I walked in, I saw this kitchen and I was like, I need to live here because not many kitchens are this size in New York. And we have a full-size fridge. We have all of this cabinet space, which is so lucky. And then I actually film all of my intros and outros right here. So I feel like I've already said all of this in that other video, so I'm not gonna do a deep dive into my cabinets or anything like that. That can all be found in my kitchen tour video, so I will link that down in the description box below for you. So I'm gonna have you just come this way quickly so you can see kind of like a pan of the rest of the apartment. So spin it around. All right, so we're standing in the living room and we have a little like bar area situation here, which we honestly don't use very much. It pretty much is just like our place to throw our shit when we get back in the house. But then this is the rest of the living space. So I'll just step aside and you guys can see we have a couch. My workspace is way over there in the corner, which I'll walk over to in a second. And we have a really nice bay window, which gives us a ton of natural light. Oh, and you can tell it's not like that decorated right now. I am not a big housey person, at least not yet, so I'm not somebody that honestly ever has like natural flowers or fresh flowers around. I don't do candles really, so I kind of just like have the space as it is. This is a very, you see it, this is how we live. It's just got cleaned, so that's why I wanted to share it like I said. Okay, so I think I'm gonna walk you over just to my workspace quickly and I'll show you that, and then we'll go into the bedroom, and that's pretty much all there is to see in this little apartment. So let's go this way. This is my workspace. So I've talked here and there about working from home, but one of the things that I really found when I started working full-time on my business was that I really needed to have a dedicated workspace. So I have this corner of the apartment, which is my desk and my computer. I'm really lucky that I sit right by a window and I look out over like gardens of townhouses that are right in our neighborhood. But it's really been helpful for me to have this space because I have it like mentally, it's hard to describe, but basically like mentally I sit down, I know that I'm in work mode when I sit at my desk, and then when I move on to the couch after the work day, work is usually done. I don't usually work at night, and it kind of gives me like that separation so that work isn't totally integrated into my home life as well. And I have this little desk that I got at Etsy, my computer, this I can't even remember where I got. And then I have this thing which holds like pens and things in the top drawer, camera equipment in the second drawer, and the third drawer is just kind of like cords and other miscellaneous junk. So that is pretty much the living space. I'll show you another pan of this whole space so that you can get a sense of like how open it is. That's one of the reasons why we really, I would say, like latched onto this place when we walked in and first saw it, is that it's a very open concept. It flows really nicely, and even though it is a little bit small, it would be awesome to have more space, but it still kind of feels open because it is very open concept. Okay, so now we're gonna move back this way and go into the bedroom. So the bedroom is quite small, but it fits a queen size bed, which is great. And you can't even open the door all the way, but that's okay. So come on in. I have also given you guys a tour of the bedroom. It's different layout now. It was oriented this way, but we changed it this way. It just works better. And it's very basic and simple. We have a rug from West Elm. I'll show you some pans over here so you can see like bedside tables, a DIY shelf above there. We have a window there, and then we have our two dressers there. And that's pretty much it. There's not a lot to say about the bedroom. The prints behind me are from Etsy. I will link my bedroom tour and post down in the description box for you. Like I said, it is a little bit different, so I have actually 2 videos that I'll link down for you below that talk about bedroom and detoxing your bedroom and everything like that. So if you're interested in checking that out, links are down below. And yeah. And that does it, my friends. That is our entire apartment here in New York. It's gonna be really, really sad to say goodbye to this space because, like I said, it's been the only place that I've lived in New York, and been here for 6.5 years, and it's just crazy that this time is coming to an end. But big things are on the horizon for us. We are taking, like I said in I think like 2 videos ago, a 5-month trip to Europe. So if you have not seen that video and you're like, what the heck are you talking about? I'll link that down below for you as well, so you can kind of get an update on everything. And yeah, I think the next kind of this type of video, vlog style video, will be probably travel related. I'm not sure yet, but I hope you guys enjoyed this. I will try to link as much product-wise as I can. If there's anything specific that you want to see, let me know in the comments and I'll try to find the link for you. But otherwise, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions about living in New York City or anything like that, you can also just ask those down below as well, and I'll make sure to get back to you. But thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this impromptu tour of my home, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!